Today I'm going to share with you a romantic, perfect arrangement for the sweethearts of the world and the sweethearts of your business. I took a couple long stems of Italian ruscus, inserted them in one side, brought them around the edge of the container, took the second piece, brought it around the rest of the container to completely conceal the edge of the foam. To begin this design, I took an 8-inch Smithers-Oasis sphere, the floral foam that you can soak in water, and soaked it with floral preservative. To anchor it into the floral foam, I took hyacinth stakes and pierced them through the floral foam sphere into the lower base. Crisscrossing the stakes through the floral foam secures it in a manner that it won't come loose. Then I took 50 of the freedom roses. Next, I took items like the variegated pittosporum and the scented geranium and inserted them into the floral foam to create this gardeny, beautiful effect. I added in green trick dianthus and then just started in with these luxurious roses. The open hot pink spray roses are truly spectacular. I utilized these soft kind of lavender colored roses. I incorporated some of the eryngium. Then I also incorporated these incredible cymbidium orchids. These I simply placed in small water tubes. To finish off this design, which is really over the top and luxurious, I added the Kunzea foliage, which adds a wonderful movement to the design. I also took a couple of the different stems of Kunzea foliage and created these very whimsical hearts. They're very natural, very subtle, but still very whimsical. So put it out there. Make a beautiful design like this. Put it in your flower cooler, put it out on your store floor, and let people look at it. Put it on your Instagram page. You never know who might say, how much does that cost? I love that, I want to buy that. And we'll hope to see you again. Thanks, take care, bye-bye.